our 3-degree guaranteed high. The forecast came in at 92. The official high, 93. So we're off to another great start at $600. The question is, how did we make out for the month of March? Let's find out. And another successful month here at News 3 with our 3-degree guaranteed high. What makes this month special, we got the entire month correct. So Duncan's going to bring a check here for $2,600. We've got Ken Goodrich with Goettl. We've got Scott with Make-A-Wish. We're going to turn the check around here, but $5,000, Ken. What?
Well, you know, our team at Goettl loves the Make-A-Wish Foundation and everything they stand for. And then my family, my wife said, you know, we love the Make-A-Wish Foundation too. So we just evened it up to a nice even number, $5,000 this time.
We love everything about that even number. So thank you for supporting our kids here with life-threatening illnesses to give them the prescription of hope. We appreciate you.
Thank you for everything you do for our community.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
All right,
That's
generosity all
fantastic.
around, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, he had
awesome.
no idea. We made him stay in what we call the green room in there. That's why we flipped the check over. He had no
cool.
idea. How generous, how
What
awesome.
a cool surprise.
And always going to a great cause.
Absolutely. Bill, thanks.
You're welcome.